Hello students, good morning. Standard 7 subject General English. Assignment 28 Relative Pronouns. Read the following sentences. I saw the boy who had met with an accident. He bought the book which was expensive. This is the car that we bought last year. As we saw in the previous assignment, the clauses which are underlined in the above sentences are all adjective clauses. They qualify the noun boy, book and car respectively. They are introduced by word who, which and that. Who is used instead of the noun boy, so it is a pronoun. And because it joins two statements, it acts and conjunction also. Similarly, which and that are also pronouns. Such pronouns that relate to some nouns going before are called relative pronouns. The nouns going before are called the antecedents thus in sentence. Boy is the antecedent of the relative pronoun whom. Look at the following sentence. This is the man who always works hard. This is the man whom we all like. This is the man whose son is my friend. You will notice that the relative pronouns whom becomes whose in the positive possessive and whom is the objective position. They have the same form in the singular. The plural, the masculine and the feminine, generally who is used for persons, only which or that is used for animals and things without life in the singular and the plural. Not who sometimes has those as an antecedent. Example, those who attend the classes regularly will appear for the examination. Join the pairs of sentence with suitable relative pronouns. I know that man, he sells things outside my school. अभी देखो हमें सेंटेंस दिए हैं, यहाँ पे हमने जो ऊपर बोला है ना वेज हूँ डैड, उससे सेंटेंस ज्वाइन करना. और यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई भी किया है कि हूँ कहाँ पे, दोस्त का, डैड कहाँ पे, विच, व्हाट. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. I know that man, he sells things outside my school. I know that man who sells things outside my school. बाकी का सेम ही रहेगा, सिर्फ मैन के बाद क्या आ जाएगा, whom. Miss Smith is our principal. He teaches English to our class. Miss Smith is our principal who teaches English to our class. Who ही निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे हूँ, यहाँ पे ही निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे हूँ. This is Mrs. Ranade. Her son is an engineer. This is Mrs. Ronalde, whose son is an engineer. हर की जगह पे whose आ जाएगा. Chandragupta was a mighty empire. His kingdom extended far and wide. Chandragupta was a mighty empire. Those, THOSE, those kingdom extended far and wide. His निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे those आ जाएगा. This is Miss Joshi. His dog won the first prize in the annual dog show. This is Mr. Joshi. Which dog won the first prize in the annual dog show? His निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह which आ जाएगा. That is an important work. I have to complete it before Sunday. That is an important work which have to complete it before Sunday. I की जगह पे which. I have many promises I have to keep them. I have many promises which have to keep them. I have a costly pen. It is a present to me from my uncle. I have a costly pen. That is a present to me from my uncle. It की जगह पे that. People talk in sleep. They are called soliloquist. People talk in sleep. They की जगह पे आ जाए which are called the somniloquist. They की जगह पे आ जाएगा which. Mr. Nehru was a popular leader. His birthday is celebrated as the Children's Day. Mr. Nehru was a popular leader whose birthday is celebrated as the Children's Day. Whose WHOS he निकल जाएगा. He bought a TV set. He sold it after 1 year. He bought a TV set. Those those sold it after 1 year. ही निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे those THOSE. Dr. Homi Bhabha was a great scientist. His name is famous among world scientists. Dr. Homi Bhabha was a great scientist. Whom HIS निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह WHOM. Whom name is famous among world scientists. Clear? फर्स्ट में सेंटेंस सेम ही निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे हूँ बाकी का सेम टू सेम. सेकंड में ही निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे हूँ बाकी का सेम टू सेम. थर्ड में हर निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे हूँ. फोर में हीज निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे दोस्त. 5 नंबर में हिज निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे विच. 6 नंबर में आई निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे विच. 7 नंबर में आई निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे विच. 8 नंबर में सेम टू सेम ईट निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे डेट. दे निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे विच. हीज निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे हुस WHOSE. ही निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे दोस्त THOSE. हीज निकल जाएगा उसकी जगह पे आ जाएगा whom WHOM. ओके क्लियर. जनरल इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है नहीं तो HW बुक में ये भी पूरा लिखना है. ओके नेक्स्ट चैप्टर अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. तब तक के लिए इतना.